Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your front audio port not working. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to make sure your connection's plugged in properly. So consider that the USB port might be a little loose, so you might want to make sure you're plugged in fully, and you may want to try plugging into a different USB port or front audio jack, depending on what you're coming to this video for, whether it's a USB port or a front audio jack. Perhaps I know some of you guys might use them interchangeably. So make sure the connection is good. And then something else, you might also want to try plugging into a different computer. Make sure it's not a microphone related issue, which would be a hardware issue. Make sure your audio settings are also turned on down in your system tray. Make sure the audio is turned up, and make sure your speakers are turned on as well. If you can't hear yourself, obviously that's a potential reason why you're unable to, or at least it appears why the audio port is not working. So there's a couple things to put out there, and we're going to jump into the other solutions now. So open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select other troubleshooters. And then go down underneath Other and scroll down and select where it says Recording Audio and select the Run button. And just give this a moment here. And hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem again at this point. You might want to select View Detailed Information, and it will give you kind of clues as to what it's scanning for here, a potential problem. So it could give you a clue as well. So again, pretty straightforward on that. You can close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best match, should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the sound, video, and game controllers, and then right click on whatever sound device is listed under here and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless there's only a generic audio device in here, in which case you would select it and then select the next button, and then select Yes, and then close out of here. And then I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.